Hey guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. This video is a Dollar Tree haul. Stay tuned. If you like Dollar Tree hauls, Dollar Tree organizing, please check out my channel and subscribe below. All right, so I had mentioned recently in the Shop With Me videos and other videos that I was interested in the pearl stuff that the Dollar Tree has been having. And finally, I bought something. This is just perfect for my daughter. She loves headbands. Very pretty, pink and white. Bought myself a pair of sunglasses. These are the Polaroid. I love this kind of shape of sunglasses. Bought some Healthy Choice chicken with rice soup. I had a bit of a craving there. And some books for my daughter, the Disney Princess. This is a comic book. I think this is a great deal for $1. Lots of reading in there. And then for the summer, we'll add this to our collection of books. This is Reading Comprehension. This level is actually really perfect for her. The passages aren't too long. And then it asks questions about the passage. So there is some vocab stuff, but yeah, this is perfect for her, especially since they're all characters that she is interested in. All right, I won't talk about this a whole ton because I gushed and gushed about it in my last Shop With Me video. Originally, it was $14.99. This is a school planner themed with the Wonder story, and there's dry erase board in there, planner stickers. There's a nice quote in there about a fresh start. And I love when the dates aren't filled in. Homonyms, homophones, commonly misspelled words. I decided to pick up the Lady Speed Stick. This is in the Rose Delight, and I'm giving this another shot. It's the vacuum storage bag by the Dollar Tree Essentials brand. The reason I picked this up really is for comforters. Comforters take up so much space. We don't need them right now because they're very heavy and warm, but it's so tough to store them. So I'm gonna see if maybe this will help with that. So thanks to my fellow Dollar Tree YouTubers, I have this. Sometimes when I'm watching Dollar Tree hauls, Aria watches with me, and she was very interested in this planter. You guys have probably seen these before. Personally, I like the elephant one. The elephant's my favorite animal. I picked up the Garnier Fructis. This is so cool. It's almost 3 times as large as the Salon Selectives. This is a 1-minute hair treatment versus the 3-minute. And this does smell really good. It's like a fruity smell, like a lot of the Garnier Fructis stuff, so that's not a surprise. But I like this smell better than the Salon Selectives. They changed the Salon Selectives treatment that they had at the Dollar Tree to an argan oil one, which is fine, but I miss the old Salon Selective scent. So yes, I'm excited to try this. I'll probably go back to get some more. And this is a new try for us, the Horseshoe and Ring Toss game. I have no idea if this is gonna withstand the elements in my backyard, especially these poles. So these also might be kind of hard to see. So I don't know, I might paint these poles white or yellow. Yeah, so we will see. Finally picked up the fraction circles. This is not a new item to the Dollar Tree, but we'll be working more on fractions soon. There's free printables for fraction stuff online, but we don't have any circles yet, so we're gonna give these a try. Also, my daughter has been really into sandals, and so I thought I'd see how these go for her. The Honey Nut Cheerios, the George and Tom's ice cream cones, and the Old El Paso stand and stuffed shells. As you can see, those look huge. They are huge. They're really big. All right, don't judge me, but I picked up these. My lovely friend, Kelly, she is a big time foodie. Like, she knows her stuff. Michelin star restaurants, all the hidden secrets, places that only people in the know where to go to. So she is like an elite foodie, in my opinion. So she got me into tinned fish. So hear me out. Okay, if you don't like fish, obviously you're not gonna like this, but these sardines, I think actually they're more expensive online. But anyway, I enjoy this over toast, and it's just so satisfying, just a quick snack to get some protein in. Of course, again, if you don't like fish, you're not gonna like it. But something you might like are these Purine Meyer lemon wafers. Oh my gosh, these are so good. I could not believe it. I thought maybe the lemon would be subdued or something, but it does have Meyer lemon oil, it said. And yeah, we went through this package in like a day. By we, I mean I. And yeah, I am gonna have to work really hard not to buy a whole ton of these because these were so good. I like the other kinds, you know, the vanilla and the regular and then the hazelnut and stuff, but these were like next level. Anyway, that is it for this Dollar Tree haul. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and take care.